Creating effective promotions in WooCommerce is a great way to attract customers, increase sales, and encourage larger purchases. However, creating flexible discount rules can be difficult when you need different types of offers for your store. This is where Disco helps. Disco is a WooCommerce discount and pricing plugin that allows store owners to create different promotional campaigns without coding. It supports various discount types, including product discount, bulk discounts, dynamic pricing rules, conditional promotions, and BOGO offers. In this video, we will focus specifically on Disco BOGO functionality and see how to create different buy one get one campaigns step by step inside WooCommerce. So let's start by understanding what a BOGO deal is and why it is effective. BOGO stands for buy one get one. It is a promotional strategy where customers receive an additional product when they purchase a qualifying item. For example, a store can create an offer where customers buy one t-shirt and get another t-shirt for free. Another example could be buying one product and receiving a different product as a reward, such as buying shoes and getting socks for free. BOGO promotions are effective because they give customers extra value while encouraging them to purchase more. They can help businesses increase sales, improve average order value, and create more attractive shopping experiences. Now that we understand how BOGO offer works, let's take a look at what we can create with Disco. Now that we understand what a BOGO deal is, let's take a quick look at what Disco can actually do inside WooCommerce. Disco is a flexible discount and pricing plugin that allows stores owners to create advanced promotional campaigns without writing any code. With it, you can build different types of offers such as bulk discounts, product-based discounts, dynamic pricing rules, and conditional promotions based on customers' behavior or cart conditions. It is also supports advanced campaign type like BOGO offers, which is exactly what we will focus on this video. So now let's go step by step and create real BOGO campaigns inside WooCommerce using Disco. Now let's create our first BOGO campaign inside Disco. For this example, I will create an offer where customers buy one t-shirt and get another t-shirt for free. First, I will go to the Disco plugin, and here I need to click on Create Discount button to create new campaign. After, I will add a name for this campaign. I will name it Buy One T-shirt, Get One for Free, so it is easy to identify. Next, I will select the discount type. I will choose a BOGO. And now I need to select product that will activate this promotion. In the product search field, I need to search for t-shirt, and also if you want, you can set a user limit. This will allow store owners to control how many customers can use this offer. After, we can also schedule promotion by selecting the start and end dates. After that, I select BOGO type. I will choose Buy X Get X. This means that customer will receive the same product as free reward. Next, I will set quantity required for the offer. I will send quantity to 1, meaning the customer needs to purchase one t-shirt to qualify for this promotion. After that, I will choose free items. Since this is Buy X Get X campaign, the free item will be the same t-shirt. After completing all the settings, I will click Continue button and save the campaign. Let's go and see how it works from the customer's perspective. I will open t-shirt button and add t-shirt to the cart. As we can see, Disco automatically applies BOGO offer. The customer purchased one t-shirt and second t-shirt was added as free item. One t-shirt has the regular price while the second is completely free with 100% discount. Now let's create a second type of BOGO campaign inside Disco. This time, instead of giving the customer the same product, we will create an offer where customers buy one product and receive a different product as a free reward. For this example, I will create a campaign where customers buy one cap and get socks for free. Here I need to give a name. I will name it Buy Cap, Get Socks Free. Next, I need to select again discount type. This is BOGO, and now I need to select the product that will activate this offer. In the product search field, I need to search for a selected cap product and set user limits if we need it. Now I will select the BOGO type. I will choose buy X and get Y products. This option allows us to give customers different product as a reward. And set a quantity required. The customer needs to buy 1 cap to qualify for this offer. So I will set the purchase quantity to 1. And now I need to select free product, and for reward product choose socks. I will set free quantity to 1 and choose discount type as a free item. After completing all settings, I need to click continue button and activate this offer. After that, I need to open cap product page and add 1 cap to the cart. As we can see, discount automatically applies the BOGO rule. The customer purchased 1 cap and socks can be added as a free item. The customer does not need to enter any coupon code because the offer is applied automatically based on campaign condition. Now let's create the third type of BOGO campaign inside Disco. In this example, we will create an offer where customers buy a product from one category and receive a free product from entirely another one. Again, here I need to give a name for my campaign. I will name it buy shoes and get free t-shirt. After that, make some adjustments. I will select product that activates this offer. I will choose shoes that as a product that customers need to purchase. And from this part, choose buy X and get Y categories. This option allows us to create offer based on product categories instead of selecting only one specific product. Next, I will configure the purchase conditions. I will set the minimum quantity to 1 and the maximum quantity to 1, meaning the customers need to purchase 1 pair of shoes to activate this offer. Now I will select the reward category. For free item, I will choose t-shirt category. This means the customer can select product from this section as a free reward. I will set free quantity to 1, and after completing all settings, I will click continue to save campaign. Now the campaign is ready. Let's check how it works from customer's perspective. I will go to the storefront and add shoes to product as a cart. As we can see, after adding the shoes, BOGO offer is applied automatically. The customers can now choose product from the t-shirt category as a free item, and after selecting t-shirt and it is added to cart, we can see it gives 100% discount. Now that we have created our BOGO campaigns, let's look at how Disco helps store owners make these offers more visible to customers. Display options allow us to highlight promotions directly on the storefront, making it easier to customers to understand the offer before purchasing. First, I will open the BOGO campaign we created and go to display settings. Here we can customize how the promotion appears on the product page. We can add a badge to highlight the offer, for example, buy 1 get 1 free, so customers can quickly notice the promotion. We can also add custom text or highlight messages to explain the offer in more detail, such as buy 1 t-shirt and get 1 free. Another available option is a countdown timer, which can be used to create urgency by showing the promotion is available for limited time. After configuring this display option, I will save the changes and open the storefront to see how the offer appears for customers. As we can see, the promotion is clearly displayed on the product page, helping customers understand the offer before adding the product to their cart. After testing our BOGO campaigns and completing a few sample orders, let's check how Disco tracks campaign performance. I will open the analytics section inside Disco, and here stores owners can monitor important campaign information, including total orders, customers, discount usage, and sales performance. After customers use the promotions, this dashboard updates with data showing how the campaigns are performing. Here we can also analyze revenue over time and see performance based on different campaign types, including BOGO offers. This helps store owners understand which promotions are working and make better decisions for future campaigns. In this video, we explored how Disco helps WooCommerce store owners create and manage BOGO promotions. We created 3 different types of BOGO campaigns: Buy X and Get X, where customers receive the same product as free reward; Buy X and Get Y products, where customers receive a different product as a free item; and Buy X and Get Y categories, where promotions can be applied based on product categories. We also looked at how Disco displays these offers on the storefront using pages, messages, and other visual elements, tested customer experience, and rewarded campaign performance through the analytics section. With Disco, creating flexible WooCommerce promotions becomes simple and does not require custom coding. This is all. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel for future videos.